Okay. See?
What the hell is that?
Hello. We are back on YouTube, and now I just pulled up my wrist, and I just realized my watch isn't there. I have my watch now. Right now it's 6:15 p.m. I've basically been spending the whole day editing and then working out a content strategy for. Yeah, I'm creating a second account which is separate from my main account, my main personal account. So then now I have a separate account. And wait, actually, let me sit down and explain. Well, why are you tilted? 1 second. Let me fix your tilt real quick. Okay, we're better now. So basically, the general idea is I'm going to have two Instagram accounts. One is my main account, which is my main personal, and that will be like just personal, and then I just like put random stuff that I have. Not really random, but in stuff over here. Then I have a second account, which would be my build account, where I build all the exciting stuff that I'm doing, like projects that I'm working on, people I meet, all that fancy stuff. I'm gonna be building crazy stuff on this account. So I just keep it separate because I feel like some people following me won't want to be bombarded by a structured content release because they didn't really follow me for that from the very beginning. But that is essentially the idea. So I've been working the entire day today, recording my first video, and then yeah, enough yapping. What we're gonna do right now is, since I spent the entire day at home on my chair just sitting down, I need to get up some movement in me. So we're gonna do some exercises followed by a quick run. I'm gonna run 1 block. It'll be around like 2Ks, get my body moving a little bit. And then after that, I'm gonna walk to the supermarket, buy some groceries, because I'm on a mission right now to stop myself from eating out as much and become like a good cook at home, because the aura in that would be insane. So we're gonna start working out right now. I just recently found out that I could do a decent amount of pull-ups. Are my guns showing yet?
Storms on the roof, secrets whispered, bulletproof. We build worlds out of steel. Now they're ruins of something we feel. It's so nice to get away, just for a moment, just for a day.
If you're wondering why I'm doing shoulder exercises using a band, it's because a couple years ago when I was playing badminton, I nearly dislocated my shoulder. I was doing like a motion, and then after that my shoulder like popped out and popped back in again, so it didn't completely dislocate. The term for it is called subluxation, an incomplete or partial dislocation of a joint. And that was so painful. So then now I just do like shoulder strengthening exercises, because strength is not important if your shoulders aren't able to have a good foundation to hold everything in place. Be a part of a set log with me. Hello. All right, that's enough for some of the exercises that we're doing. Slow and steady, making a comeback into exercises. Don't want to be doing anything crazy or intensive. So now we're gonna do some quick warm-ups before we go on a very quick run. I forgot to mention, it's also, let me remind you to make sure you drink water and hydrate yourself. What, I absolutely hate running, but we're gonna do it anyways. Let's do some running warm-ups.
You roll the ankle in and out, and then change sides. Anterior tibialis. Reverse movement and forward movement like you're walking. Change sides.
According to the YouTuber, now I'm ready to run. This is chance of rain, but you know, I already said I was gonna run, so let's just go run.
We rode our bikes down broken streets. We chased the sun, chased the sun. Day was great, we made it shine.
Right. We've arrived at Glen Ferry Road. 5:28 piece. Take a quick break. I'm fucking tired, guys. Start again. Let's go. guys. I'm so proud of myself. So I just got back from the run and let me see if I can pull out the stats for you. So those are the stats. We ran for 10 minutes 28 seconds, 1.86 kilometers ran, pace of 5.37 kilometers. Minutes per kilometer. Pretty good. And damn, bruh, the second leg of that run was like uphill, so it was more tiring than usual. But we did it. We made it. What matters is we made it to the end, if you get what I mean. Because I read a book the other time, and let me actually pull out the book for you guys. So it's this book, The Diary of the CEO by Stephen Bartlett. And the one that I want to point out is, it's a chapter on your self-story. It approves to yourself first in 1,000 tiny ways at every opportunity you get that you have what it takes to overcome the challenges of life. And there's another sentence in here. Everything you do, with or without an audience, provides evidence to you about who you are and what you're capable of. What we believe about ourselves creates our thoughts and feelings. Our thoughts and feelings determine our actions, and our actions create our evidence. To create new evidence, you must change your actions. A person's character is created, built, or destroyed when no one is watching. So what matters is the self-story you tell about yourself. So if you're the type of person who shows up when nobody is watching, that will literally be evidence for yourself that you're the type of person who is able to go through any problem that you're handed. But enough yapping, we're gonna go ahead and go to the supermarket and cop some dishes. So let's go. Look at that, it's gone ahead and started raining. Wow, absolutely. Welcome to Kohl's, guys.
So in this life, don't you try to move too fast.
Chicken Thai cutlets.
The good times will roll by.
A funny story. Somehow the lens filter of my camera like unscrewed itself off my camera while I was vlogging, and then like it rolled underground somewhere and I couldn't find it. I just found it. And then look at how... What the hell? Like, I was in another aisle. Take a look at all these garlic, bro. Why it looks so old, bro? Old and musty, man.
And I'm older, trying to figure out where I fit in. So hold yourself tight. So hold yourself tight. Everything will work out fine. So hold yourself tight. So hold yourself.
Checking what else I need.
Asian-inspired meal prep recipes that make boost.
I reckon we have everything we need. Yep, we have all we need. Cool. High-speed Uber Eats chase or something. Oh, it'll be raining. It'll be raining. Hell no, bro. Next train is in 29 minutes. 29-minute train. We ain't getting that, bro. Yeah, fucking dark, bro.
Easiest 20-minute dinner, honey garlic chicken. When I'm done working, my desire to cook my garlic powder, grated ginger.
We're looking past nothing.
Okay, team.
Well, we're filming some cringe stuff, guys. So guys, that's the set of this restaurant. We're gonna be filming something, and apparently I'm getting princess treatment, whatever that means. Welcome to the sea.
So, Garrich, you are the princess of the relationship.
You heard that right, guys.
So this is what's gonna happen. She'll be rizzing you up the whole day.
Welcome to the vlog, Vicky. Look at that director's set over there. Director's set. Cool.
I really like hanging out with you.
Me too, man.
Now you are eating 3, 2, 1.
I really.
At least I'm smiling,
Me
right?
too, bro. Stop smiling.
Lock in.
3, 2, 1.
I really like hanging out with you.
Stop laughing, my guy.
Me too.
Yeah, me too.
I really like hanging out with you.
Me too. Fuck, dude. You guys sit down.
You got 1 line, bro. 2 words, bro.
My one line, bro.
1 line.
I really like hanging out with you.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, perfect. Good.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, that's good. Okay,
That's good.
nice. Dying inside. What do you mean, girl? What do you mean, 2 kids?
I love to have 4 kids. 2 girls, 2 boys.
Not bad, not bad. Really good, really good. She's getting better, huh?
Yeah.
You need to catch up.
Boys older because they can protect my little girls with you. Sorry,
Okay, I look at her after that, right?
Yeah. And
Okay.
ready? 3, 2, 1.
so they can protect us.
3, 2, 1.
They can protect my little girls with you.
Why is smiling a lot today, bro?
Oh, man.
Mr. Cheerful. Okay, now holding hands. See.
Okay, what do we do?
So,
Stop it, Garrich. Stop it. Stop.
You're not ready to say anything.
yeah.
I feel so good.
Go around. Okay, interview time.
You get another one.
Bro, I took like 500 different takes, man.
Let's go! Freaking love my job, bro. Like, that's it, right?
Welcome to the interview corner. Look, it's Vicky.
Hi.
I remember we only met 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, me too.
I only met 2 weeks ago. We'll be hanging
Oh, yeah,
out
every day.
But we'll be hanging out every day.
2 weeks.
And I don't know. I don't know what she feels.
And I don't know what she feels.
And I don't know. Pause. I don't know what she feels.
So we've only met 2 weeks ago, but we've been hanging out every single day since then. But I don't know how she feels.
Nice. Not bad. So this is where she said, boys older because they can protect my little girls with you. You'd be like, see?
See?
See what I mean?
See?
See what I mean? And 3, 2,
So I
1.
just see?
Yeah, see?
See?
What the hell is that?
See what I mean? See what I mean?
Oh wait, I really don't know anymore.
I really
don't know it. That's after she did the IBEX. Yeah? I really don't know anymore, bro. Alright, let's do this.
You should have a deep in thought moment.
Yeah, maybe do it. Yeah, goes. Yep.
I really don't know anymore.
Not smiling yet. 3, 2, 1.
I really don't know anymore. Fuck, you're smiling.
Try one right. Last thing.
I really don't know anymore.
Nice. Okay, that's it. Good stuff, team. A phony.
Scene. We done.
See?
We done.